In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time on a task in Asana. Let's start by opening the specific Asana task where you want to track time. You can do this from your project's list, board, or calendar view. Just click into the task to open its details pane. Keeping the task front and center helps you stay focused on what you're measuring. Next, look for the time tracking field, sometimes labeled as actual time, time tracked, or a similar custom field. You'll typically find it among the task's custom fields near the top of the details pane. If you don't immediately see it, try expanding the task details or scrolling within the pane. In some workspaces, time tracking appears through a custom field or an integration, so availability and naming can vary. If it's missing, it may not be enabled for the project yet, so you can check with your project owner to confirm the correct field is added. If you want to plan your work before you begin, add the estimated time. Decide whether you're measuring in hours or minutes and be consistent. For example, you might enter 2 for 2 hours or 1.5 if you prefer decimals. Estimates are most helpful when you set them before you start, because they create a benchmark to compare against later and help with capacity planning across your team. After you've done the work, enter the actual time spent. This should reflect the total time you invested in the task. If you worked in multiple sessions, add them up and enter the combined total. Keep your format consistent with your estimate so reports and comparisons are clear. If context matters, like a big research spike or a blocker, you can add a short note in the task description or as a comment to explain what influenced the time. Now save the task update. In many cases, Asana saves changes automatically, but it's always a good idea to confirm the field updated before you close the task. A quick glance at the updated value ensures your time data is captured accurately. Finally, review time tracked across tasks to understand how long work is taking. In your project, surface the time fields in list or board view so you can scan, sort, or filter by estimates and actuals. Look for patterns like recurring tasks that consistently overrun estimates and use those insights to refine future planning. Over time, these reviews help you forecast more accurately, set realistic deadlines, and balance workloads effectively.